privatized now because they want us to close. So we close here. So this is our parking house. And have a beam already. You can see that beam there. Mani among entrance oh. Welcome to my entrance. So they are now on the beam. Nana oh, beam na. Yay! Yay! Dito na napadong ba? Dito na gid na siya padulong. Kaya na nagibim. Kanina gid siya mo nagid na iyahang panahon. Yan nagid lang panahon.
Bantay diha magsimpak ko.
Gabantay po ko ikaw bitaw. Na maning butang sa among beam. 16 mm. And then ang kanilang gina-casting is 10 mm. Kanang giana siya oh. Muni ang among kahabagon from floor to third floor. So anak na siya guys. So muna kong update it's muna daw. Oh, shout out daw siya ni Adonis kaya wala si Adonis. Pwede libakon. Birthday ni Adonis kaya wadiha. So mani siya. That was the beam and the 10 mm is that was the bar. The bar whole round bar, that was a 10 mm. The straight one is a 16 mm. So we are at the third floor for the third floor. So guys, this is my update for our house. I will show you from here to down there. That was it. Mani ang damba oh, mani lang gagamiton. Damba. Okay, I'm going down using my stairs. Our stairs is more than a meter. So it's wide. So it's so comfortable. Our stairs is so wide. This is the init mga good na. Dito sa imong silingan. Anong new lip? New lip ba na siya nga bakery? Short video only for today. So this is our town. Nya tag. Oh. I-kuan na lang, i-plaster na lang gid siya ba? Kuan di ba ni? Para ka mo kabantayin ko nga. Oh, mas habog pang ato ang. Oh, that was the gap from our neighbor.